The Sustainability Resource Hub provides users with information on various voluntary certifications, collaborative platforms and practical tools available to businesses looking to further their sustainability agenda. The Hub was developed in recognition of the importance of building and maintaining resilient supply chains. It forms a key deliverable under FDF's Ambition 2025. On the home page, you can use the navigation wheel to select high-level categories of interest. Or if you have something more specific in mind, you can start with a keyword search. Once you are happy with your search, click Show Initiatives. You can further refine your search by using the drop-down boxes at the top of the page. Click on an initiative to find out more information, including geographic scope, business benefits and any costs involved. To find out more information, contact details are provided, including a link to the initiative's website and an email address. If you would like to save an initiative of interest for future reference or to share with colleagues, you can download a PDF. You can save more than one initiative in the same PDF document by selecting those of interest on the first results page. More information on how to use the Hub is available in the drop-down menu. This includes information on how to make the most of the Hub, as well as contact details if you have any queries and/or suggestions as to how we can improve the Hub. We hope the Hub provides businesses with practical guidance to help them pursue their sustainability agenda. Please contact sus.hub@fdf.org.uk if you have any queries or feedback.